Hi guys, let's begin today's session. So here, after today's closing, if you see the movement, since it's a Friday and the weekly close, we were expecting the market to be crossing yesterday's high and a bullish candle. Now we have a red candle, and although it has not broken the low or the high, there is a possibility that we could still be sideways for some time. Okay, and if this low is broken, then we could be looking at a further downside of the market actually testing the lower support level. It has taken support at 38.2, but we could be seeing 61.8 also. The reason being that if you check your 4-hourly chart, we have the market expanding, the Bollinger Band expanding on the downside. We had a pullback, bullish move yesterday, but today's candle showing that we could see further downside. And if we looked at the weekly chart, switching to Heiken Ashi, we have the first bearish candle. So there could be one more week of bearish movement, there could be a downside and a pullback, we'll have to see. But we're not that bullish anymore. Today's candlestick has confirmed that on Nifty. So I would say best is to stay away from Nifty on Monday unless we see the Monday's close and then decide the direction, because it is still in between the support and resistance levels. Alright, and this weekly candle on Heiken Ashi is indicating that we could be seeing some downside unless we have 1 week of bearish move and then market reversing, something like what happened here. Bank Nifty also we can see bearish Heiken Ashi candle on the weekly chart. Daily chart although is bullish, and 4-hour again similar to what we saw in Nifty. So price has just done a pullback and then looks like we could be seeing further downside. So I'm bearish on Bank Nifty and Nifty for Monday unless we see a market breaking out of this high or breaking out the low. Is difficult to say which side is going to move, but looking at the price action, it shows that we have a higher probability of market going on the downside or testing the support. So we could be seeing pullbacks till the 61.8 level that we had seen a few days ago. Same thing in Sensex. Heiken Ashi is still indecision. And we have the first bearish Heiken Ashi on weekly chart again. BEL on the other side is still bullish, although indecision. And here daily chart is actually looking good. We have a green Heiken Ashi. Here with the band itself, you can say that we are in a consolidation and this should break out soon. So I'm still bullish on BEL. Axisbank, the size of the bearish Heiken Ashi candle is actually become smaller, and we have indecision, which is a good sign. So we could be looking at upside movement on this. Rejections are happening here. But on the weekly chart, if you see, we have first red Heiken Ashi candle. Now looking at the entire picture, I can say that we should be looking at a sell for intraday traders. Selling would be a better option. Those who are on the buy side, you can get a better price to average your trade. So view is that we are looking at some pullback and then further upside. So the trend is definitely up, but we are looking at some pullbacks before the trend resumes. Same thing with Nifty, not much of a bearish movement, but yes, the previous low can be tested again. So you can expect the market to come a little lower, probably about 600 levels. Spikes till then. If we have a closing below this level of 618, then we could see further downside. So Monday's candlestick would actually confirm if there's a change of trend or change of direction for the short term. But as of now, a slight bearish movement on all the indexes. Right, I will share a few trades for the next few weeks next week. Right, also I start with futures trading on the lower time frame, like 1 minute and 5 minutes from Monday. So I'll be sharing updates on that too. That's it for now. All the best, and please share your comments, views and other stocks that you want to check. Thank you.